In an industrial environment built on precision and organization, the journey of every Motoma product begins. Inside our factory, lithium batteries are manufactured according to clear quality and inspection standards to ensure stable performance and long-term reliability. Each lithium iron phosphate battery is the result of over 31 years of experience in energy solutions. Experience through which we develop practical products that meet the needs of different markets. Through continuous research and development, and with a specialized technical support team, we ensure that every product leaves with a consistent level of performance and safety, in accordance with approved specifications. Our efforts do not stop at manufacturing. We participate in major energy exhibitions and forums across the Middle East, Africa, Europe, and Asia to showcase our latest solutions and engage directly with partners and customers. Our participation enables us to better understand market needs, build long-term professional relationships, and further develop our products in line with the actual requirements of each region. From our warehouses in China and Dubai, we organize supply operations to ensure efficient and timely delivery of products to various countries. At Motoma, we focus on delivering practical and reliable energy solutions that support projects and homes with dependable performance that can be built upon.
Motoma. Power into the future.